Ah, oh, that's hot. That's hot.
Hey people, Kiara here from iDigi Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using TikTok. Simple TikToks, easy to make TikToks, seconds to make TikToks. The simplest TikToks you ever seen in your life. Now, the reason why we're doing this is so easy to make, and it'd be interesting we be able to get sales doing this eventually. That's the goal. The goal is to build up the channel until we can put a link in it, and then we'll put the link in it and see if we can get sales that way. And we starting for the very beginning, about I think this day 12 maybe, right? We started from the very beginning, okay? But anyway, before we get started, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. If you want to follow on, the links in the description below. Hit that notification bell. Let's get started. All right, so first off, let's go check and see what our TikTok is doing here. Let's refresh the page here. Okay, we got 109 followers. It's still very slow, but it's still growing at the same time. It's growing, it's slow, but it's growing. It's still growing. Now all we need to do is get that 100 to 1,000 so we can put a link in and start making money with it, which is absolutely fine because this is the slow grind. You know what I mean? That's what this is gonna be, which is absolutely fine and easy to do and easy to worry about because it's very simple TikTok to make here. All right, so first off, let's go to Pinterest here. We'll find let's find us some quotes here. Let's quote some millionaire quotes. Let's see if we find some millionaire quotes. Smart people know when to play stupid. Design a life you love. A wise person knows there is something to be learned from everyone. Okay. Alright. A wise person knows there is something to be learned from everyone. Let's bold it a little bit. That's good. We pull this up just a little bit. What color we gonna go with? My last TikToks work. The last one orange, orange, red. I'm guessing blue, green. Okay, we'll go with yellow then. Yeah, we'll go with yellow. So we know that now. All right. Put yellow white. Make it a brightish yellow. Gonna be learning from everyone. I'm gonna just pick that down just because. And I'm gonna pick this. Oh. I wanna go and take this out. Track. All right, so now let's find a video here. Go with Furnishing View. Videos. Okay. I wish it was a way to put it so I only show the videos I haven't downloaded. You know what I mean? That'd be helpful. Anyway, we're just gonna scroll down till we find something that's somewhat pleasant. If I use this, I don't know. We're going with it. We're just gonna go with it. Hope for the best. If I used it or not, I'm not sure. But okay. Whoa. Okay, it's very loud. So we're gonna cut that down real quick. Like that. Place the background. We're gonna make it a little brighter, a little bit clearer. So we go to adjust beta here. We're just gonna make it a little brighter. Contrast. The saturation. There we go. I'll see how that looks a lot better. And that's all it's gonna be. Now we need us a song. Let's see if we can find us a song here. We ain't look for a song in a while. We've been using my own song. That's all the songs we already done downloaded. But anyway, we're gonna lower the volume real quick. Find a song real quick. It's gonna take a second. Reason I lowered the volume so it don't pick up for you guys. Go with it. We're gonna click on it. Alright, I like this. Let's go with that one. I don't know if I downloaded it yet or not. We're gonna go with it. Anyway, we're gonna go to uploads, audio, pick that urban in now. I got it downloaded. Don't look like I do. Good shot. Okay. I had that song with sound. I'm gonna put that in there. We're gonna make it this. And we're gonna raise this up so I can hear it. Alright guys, check it out. I like it. Okay, so we're just gonna download. And now we are just waiting, guys. So anyway, while we're waiting, what we're gonna do is gonna grip, copy. Gonna copy our initial thing here. We're gonna go to upload here, and what we gotta do is figure out when we need to post, and so on. So put that there. Copyright. So when we need to post this, day is Tuesday, correct? Okay, 9 a.m. is the okay. 9 a.m. All we need. DY's on. Good though. Okay, we're gonna put that in. I'm kind of interested to see what kind of tags we get for putting this in here. See what they come up with. Okay, we're gonna use these. They look a little better. Kind of seem more on point with what I'm talking about here with this TikTok. We're gonna go to the TikTok here. I'm gonna delete these. That, put a space. Boom. Kind of done, guys. That's all it takes, and the video is done downloading. So right on time, and we are almost done, guys. And matter of fact, we are almost done. Hold up. First, we get this video uploaded. Once it's uploaded, all right, it runs the copyright check. Of course, there's none because I changed everything. I made the video, so there's no reason to worry about copyright. And you just hit schedule, and we are done with this video. We're done with the day. So that's all we post today. And it's just that simple, guys. And we're just gonna keep doing this every day. All the links are in the description below. The link for the $25 business, you interested in that and getting started and interested in the way I'm promoting it, you can do it as well. It's very easy to do. I'm showing you exactly how to do it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.